I know you lazy. Sansevieria. Put it in your corner. Forget about it. Even if you forget to water them other than once a month, they'll still survive. They'll probably outlive you. Good morning from the Nature Company. Today we're going to be going through 9 different houseplants that will accept low light conditions, zero light conditions, and what this actually means is they'll grow in those dark rooms, the bathroom, back ends of your kitchen, your dining rooms, on bookshelves that are away from the windows. These amazing plants will bring that rich feeling of the jungle back into your house and give you that breath of fresh air that we all need. So today we'll start off with the basics. Sansevierias, less often used these days. This is one of the originals, the species, and here we have some of the more dramatic hybrids, the moonshine, the silver sword, the yellow flame, and these just bring that pop of color in those dark areas where you need it. They also provide some of them provide a bit of height. And then we even have the dwarf varieties. These ones will just put that little bit of drama onto your bathroom sink or on a bookshelf. So that being the Sansevierias, so we'll move on to some of the long-term favorites. Aspidistra. This is known as the cast iron plant. The reason it's called that is because it's difficult to kill. Provides you with these broad, beautiful, deep emerald green leaves, and you'll often get little stripes. You do get a variegated form, which is also stunning. These require very little watering, very little maintenance, and will do well in those dark areas where you can pretty much forget about them, and they'll survive. Then again, the Spathiphyllum, peace in the home, providing you with these beautiful white spades and these deep, rich emerald green leaves. You get the large varieties. You do even get a giant variety, and the smaller varieties that give you a wide variety of areas that you can put them into, filling your space that you have. Here, the darker emerald green leaf is from being in the deeper, darker rooms, and when you keep it in brighter light, they get this more bright yellower green. Both will still produce flowers, but often in the brighter lights you get more flowering. The Chlorophytum, this one commonly known as hen and chickens, is an easy to grow plant that is very forgiving as well, with the thick tuberous roots. If you're forgetting to water it, it will survive through drought periods. Also, if you're starting to find vacant parts in your pot, it's easy to take the little babies that grow on and just push them straight back in. They'll reroot themselves in there and fill up your pot nicely, or you can just leave them to produce the nice hanging display. Also, they'll accept very low light conditions on a bookshelf, in a dark corner, and they're quite happy. Dracaena. This is one of the ones that will accept low light conditions. It will bring height into your home where you need it. You get these beautiful mottled markings on the leaves. There are various different varieties of this, and it's just a beautiful forest plant to have indoors. The Syndapsus, some people call it the silver paphos. This produces these broad, flat leaves with the silver markings. Also excellent for low light conditions. Make wonderful hanging baskets where these just cascade down, or you could put a big stay up to give it something to climb up, and then you'd land up with a tall, beautiful spray of leaves. The Aglonemias, Chinese painted plants, also wonderful for low light conditions. This is kept in near zero light conditions and it's been growing incredibly well. With a lot of these plants, keeping them in low light conditions, you have to be more aware of your watering and the humidity levels, but they do accept the low light and bring that understory forest jungle feel into your home. Aspleniums, also to give you that rich tropical feel in your home in those dark areas. It does accept those near zero light conditions. Dark rooms are some of the places that they do well in. And also beautiful small little plants to fill those little nooks and crannies in your home are the Haworthias. These do very well in low light conditions here with us, and you get the huge variety of different forms and colors, and they just bring joy to any home with their beautiful markings and colorations. With these low light growing houseplants, you are going to have to be careful with your watering and your humidity control. So if you can just be aware of those, you can grow these in the darker areas in your home and have beautiful greenery indoors. If any of this information I've provided has been of use to you, please hit the like button, press the notification bell, bing bong, and if we've missed anything that you particularly prefer in those dark areas, please add into the comments below. And if you have any questions, throw them down there too, and we'll get back to them as soon as we can. Happy growing, and help us grow our channel with your plants. Chlorophytum, the hen and chicken. What came first, the hen and the chicken? Hopefully not your boyfriend, or you might have as many babies as what they produce. I know you're stupid, lazy and forgetful, but you still want an Instagrammable room. Sansevieria. Put it in the corner, water it once a month, and it will still look good. Yellow flame, moonlight, silver sword, miniature varieties. Spathiphyllum for dark rooms. Peace in the home. There won't be peace in your home if you overwater this and kill it. Aglonemias. Aglonemias, beautiful adaptable plants for